Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Rubab Naeem. I'm a fashion designer, lifestyle mentor and an image consultant. Here on my channel you will learn about lifestyle coaching, personality development skills, fashion, beauty and much more. Our today's topic is all about fake influencers, how we got inspired by their fake personalities and in result we got insecure by seeing their unattainable glossy life. Everything we see on social media, fake realities, perfect life, unattainable beauty, they are not always like this. But in result, we got inferiority complex, which is again give us a negative impact on our personality to live in this society. We start envy others, which is a very bad thing. I'm not talking about all the influencers. Some are doing great job in their field, but mostly 70% of them are misusing this platform just to show off. But trust me, they are more insecure than you because they only get attention by doing all this, not a peace of mind. Very first thing you need to understand is all the influencer you're seeing on social media are doing their job. It's their job to look pretty every single time they sit in front of camera. It's their job to look presentable all the time. Whatever they are promoting, they are getting paid for it. Whatever they are doing, they get views for it. So it's their job to fake the perfection in their lives. Other than that, they also have problems in their life. They also fake things that don't even exist. You don't have to fall for the illusions they are creating, because they also have skin issues, they also have health issues, they also have family issues, but they seem clear to you. Why? Because they are creating such a perfect image in front of you. You don't have to fall for everything you see on social media. The thing is, some of you are getting inspired by them, which is a good thing, but mostly 80% of you are getting insecurities by them, which is not a good thing, and that's the issue we are going to talk about today. Very basic thing to understand is no one is perfect in this world. No one. Everyone has problem in their lives. It is not necessary that whatever you are looking is always like this. People don't show the difficulties and struggles they are facing behind the curtain. So rather than feeling insecure by others, you need to focus on your own growth. In today's world, the rise of young influencers who have millions of followers have created such a perfect fake life in front of you. They didn't see the struggle their parents have made to give them secure and comfortable environment. They just spend their parents' money. They got comfort served in a plate. So they just sit in front of a camera and make videos and spend their parents' money just to promote useless things and just to show off. They are promoting expensive clothes, expensive shoes, expensive restaurants, fake low quality beauty products, whether they are safe to use or not, just to create the hype of luxury life, which they don't even own themselves. Due to this, people got insecurities from them that they have the perfect life, their living standards are so high they can afford anything they want. It's because they have created this perfect illusion in front of you. Don't compare yourself with them. I'm telling you again and again that whatever you are seeing on social media, don't feel insecure with these type of influencer. They are creating this type of image in front of you because they have their own insecurities. They are addicted by the life they are creating in front of you, because in reality they can't even face their original personalities. Unfollow those influencers if you are getting insecure by them, because insecurity and jealousy has a negative impact on your personality and that will cause lack of confidence in you. When you get insecure by someone, you get jealous by them indirectly, and which is a very bad thing. You shouldn't be jealous by anyone. Rather than that, you need to improve yourself by giving more attention to yourself. Jealousy will make you compare yourself with others, that they have perfect hair, perfect life, perfect skin. So what? You can have that too. Anyone can have it. If you give attention to yourself, if you try to improve yourself rather than comparing yourself to others. Everyone have insecurities in their life related to their bodies, how they look, and in their lives as well. but it doesn't mean that you feel inferior by anyone else. What you need to do is you need to focus on yourself. You have to improve yourself, you have to improve your personality. You need to focus on your career to build a better future for yourself. And the most important thing, always say thanks to Allah Ta'ala, who gives you everything, who gives you your peace, your life, your beauty, your career, your success. Look below from yourself and realize that there are millions of people who don't even have food to eat in a single day. You are living your best life. You are living better than those million of people. Say thanks to Allah every single time you have everything. When you say thanks to Allah and fight with your insecurities, then you don't feel inferior to anyone. Then you grow your personality with inner peace. All of us have something special in us and something that we lack in. So embrace your imperfections and break the cycle of comparison. I hope I clear my point to you. In today's video, we learned that social media is a place where you find unattainable beauty, crafted illusion of luxury, and fake personalities. No one is perfect. You don't have to compare yourself with them. You don't have to feel inferior by them. So the next time you find yourself scrolling through social media, remember that the influencer you are comparing yourself with are just as human as you are. You are enough just the way Allah has made you. Alhamdulillah. I hope you guys like my video. Inshallah, in next video, we will talk about further more interesting topics about personality development skill, image consultation, fashion, beauty, and much more. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.